In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take a backup of your Gmail account in a few straightforward steps. This process is incredibly important to ensure that all your emails and important data are securely stored and can be accessed whenever necessary, even if you encounter issues with your Gmail account. So, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Google homepage. Here, you'll want to log into your Google account if you haven't already. Click on the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page, enter your credentials, and you're in. It's always a good idea to double-check you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Google accounts. Doing so will save you from unnecessary hassle later on. Once you're inside your account, the next step requires navigating to your Google account settings. Locate your profile picture or initial at the top right of the screen and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select Manage your Google account. This is the control center for all things related to your Google services and personal information. On the Google account page, you'll find a left-hand menu. Here, look for and click on the Data and Privacy tab. This section encompasses all your personal data settings and privacy-related options. Once you're in, scroll down until you spot Download your data. This is where you'll initiate the process of creating a backup of your Gmail account. Click on Download your data, and you'll be taken to Google Takeout, an essential tool for backing up your Google account data. The next page will display a list of all the Google service data you can back up. Since we're focusing on your Gmail backup today, you can deselect all other services by clicking on Deselect All. Now, scroll down the list until you find Mail. Check the box next to it to include it in your selected data. Below Mail, there's an additional setting that allows you to customize which folders in your Gmail account you'd like to download. You can choose to back up just your inbox or include specific labels depending on your needs. After setting your preferences, scroll down and click on Next Step. You'll then be able to customize the format and method of delivery for your backup. Choose your preferred file type and size, and decide whether you'd like the data to be downloaded directly or added to your preferred cloud storage service. Finally, click on Create Export. This will start the process of preparing your backup. Keep in mind, it may take some time for the data to be ready, especially if you have a large amount of emails. Once complete, you'll receive an email notifying you that your backup file is ready for download. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully backed up your Gmail account, ensuring your emails are safe and retrievable anytime. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical guides. Until next time, take care.